This is the video demonstration of vehicle utility app. Okay, so where you can as I have named as a vehicle pro. Okay, so if I whenever you will open the application na, so you will get this login page. So in the login page you can do a login. Okay, and if you want to register as a user, then you have to click to register and you can put the information. And if you want to register as a mechanic support, then you have to click to register as a mechanic. Okay, so I request you, whenever system will application will request you for allowing any access of any sensor like location or call or anything. So just allow it. Okay, then only application will work properly, otherwise it will not work properly. And also there is one validation key, whenever you will do a demonstration or whenever you will run the application, so you have to make sure the location sensor should be on, then only it will fetch you your current location and it will work accordingly. Okay, suppose as of now I am trying to register as a mechanic. Okay, so it's see, as you can see, it is automatically has fetched my latitude and longitude, otherwise you have to type this thing manually. So as it will automatically fetch the locations. Okay, so here you can mention the shop name. Suppose let me mention as a vehicle pro, and you can mention the email address that you can use for the further login. Okay, and you can mention the mobile number and you have to mention the address. Okay, so this way you have to fill the form and you have to click to this create account page, then system will automatically create the add your account into database. Okay, so as of now I have created one account for vehicle. Okay, so let me do login with the same credential. So if you do login, try to do login, it will ask you for the activation because we have added activation process, right? So for the activating, what you have to do, you have to register as a you have to do a login as a admin. So username is admin@gmail.com and password is admin. Okay, this is same for all the application, and you have to do sign in. After doing sign in, you will get two options. One is user report, where you will get the list of users. One is mechanic report. Okay, in the mechanic report, whatever new account is there, it will show you the activate account button. Otherwise, if the account is already activated, then it will not show you. Okay, so now let me activate the account and then it will update the into database, and let me do log out. And now let me try as a uh, mechanic. Okay, so if I do login, and then after doing login, you will get these two options. One is pending request, key whatever user has raised the request for the vehicle service, it will show it here. Okay, and whatever request which mechanic has completed or delivered or has done properly, that will show in here. Okay, as of now it is not showing me anything because no one has raised the request, we have just created the account. So now let me do login as a user. Okay, so after login as a user, it will show you me this interface key, what problem actually I am facing and what service I will require. So suppose I have lost my key or uh, I have fuel problem. Okay, so user can do click on that particular fuel problem, and then whatever nearby or whatever list of mechanics are there, it will show the list of mechanic, and it will also show you the distance key, that mechanic location with your location, how many distance they are at. Okay, as of now at the top I am currently at Nagpur, so at the Mumbai location they are showing ki the mechanic is uh, away from something 700 kilometers, and the rest Nagpur peoples are nearby me. Okay, so I can directly call that mechanic from here, and if I don't want to call, then I can just select that particular vehicle mechanic, and after selecting mechanic, here I have to fill one form. I have to mention the number of passengers. Suppose I have 4 passengers, and I can mention the problem ki uh, I don't have fuel in my car, something. Okay, and it will also automatically fetch the mechanic name and event time, that is nothing but the problem service you want. Okay, then I can click to book appointment. Okay, then system will automatically send a request to mechanic. Okay, and if I check this history thing, okay, if I go to history, then I can see the all the list of services which I have taken in his past. Okay, so as of now you can see I have just raised the request for fuel problem, and you can see, you can directly see the distance, and also you can check the mechanic info, and you can also do call from directly from here. Okay, so this way this is for the user uh, module. Okay, and as of now let me do log out. Okay, and after doing log out, let me log in as a same account which we have created and we have just raised the request for. And if I then go to pending request, so as you can see, the request is came to here into this location, and you can see the distance key, they are just 0 kilometer away, because I have raised the request with the same location, and the mechanic I have registered mechanic as the same location. That's why it's showing 0 kilometer. And then mechanic can also do call from here, and if they have completed that request, or they have solved that problem, then they can just click to this complete button. Then system will update into database, and then if I go to complete order button, if you option, then here you will can check the list of completed uh, request. Okay, and if I now go to the pending request, then it will go on from here, because already we have updated as a delivered. Okay, so this is for mechanic module. Okay, so this way system is working for your vehicle utility app. Okay, and yeah, thank you. This is all about your application.